Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details for the Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine error codes 144, 140, 14, 4 and 2. As per our research, all these error codes come when users try to play online. According to our research, all these error codes are similar and coming because of some connection error. Most probably the game servers are having some trouble right now, or you have some network issues. Before trying anything, we first suggest you restart your gaming device and then see if you need to update the game. If you see any pending updates for the game, then install the pending update and check for the error. If the game is up to date with its latest version, then go to the control panel. Then select Clock and Region. Then select Change Time Zone. Then make sure you have the correct time zone. Then go to the Settings. Then select Time and Language. Then select Date and Time, then select the time automatically. If you still get the error and you are connected over a wireless network, then we suggest you connect your device over an Ethernet cable. If possible, give this a try and see if this helps. If the error still persists, then you can try allowing the certain ports under your router settings to make sure your network doesn't interfere with the game. The ports you need to allow are TCP 27015, TCP 27036, UDP 27015, UDP 27031, 27036. If you also tried allowing the ports under your network but still having the error, then try using Google DNS servers under your device network settings. Give this a try and see if this helps. If the error still doesn't resolve and you are using a VPN, then try disabling it and check for the error again. But if you have access to a VPN but you are not using it, then try playing over the VPN and see if this helps. During our research, for some users the error was coming because of using the VPN, but on the other hand, for some users using the VPN resolved the issue. If you're on Xbox and you are not trying to play with other players on cross-platform, then try disabling the cross-play option and see if this resolves the error. In case the error is still coming, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot network. Give this a try to see if the issue also continues over the other network. If you are done with all these suggestions but still encountering the error, then possibly the game servers are having some trouble right now. We suggest you wait for a few hours or a day and try playing again. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.